Out of the box, your xsTECH Pro is configured to run on 120 volts for North American markets. If you'd like to run the machine on 230 volts for European markets and other international markets, you'll need to do a couple of things before you power on the machine. We've put this sticker here, so you'll know to do this before you plug in the machine. So the first thing is, in the box with your xsTECH Pros, you received a couple of fuses, and you'll need to swap out the 7 amp fuse for the 3.5 amp fuse for 220 volts. So the fuse holder's here. To get that to release, it's a spring-loaded thing, so you're going to push it in. It can be a little bit snug. Push it in and twist, and that'll come out like that. And we'll swap the fuse to the 3.5 amp fuse. And then to put it back in, it's a twist and it's a push in and twist. That's the fuse there. Part 2 is around on the front side. On the front side, we'll open the door, and we're going to gently pull the gantry forward. And then on the side here, we'll open the window up. Under here, there's a small dust cap that we're going to remove temporarily. And inside there, there's a switch on the power supply that you'll be able to reach with a screwdriver. To the right is 115 volts. To the left, 230 volts. And so to configure to 230 volts, you need to push this to the left. And then the third thing is depending on your market, you'll need to bring your own IEC pigtail cable to provide the power. So it looks like this, and then your plug end will be market specific, whether you're in UK, Europe, Brazil, or Asia.